How to make your Twitter account completely private. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can make your Twitter account completely private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make your Twitter account completely private, open up Twitter. Then once you open up Twitter, just tap your profile icon from the top left over here. Once you tap the profile icon from the top left hand side, scroll down, go to settings and support, and then go to settings and privacy. Then once you come to settings and privacy, you're going to land on this page where you want to go to privacy and safety, and then right over here you'll be able to see the option called audience and tagging from the very top. Tap on it. Now here you'll find a section where it says protect your tweets, so all you have to do is just turn on this toggle. So it says only current followers and people who you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. If you want to turn off photo tagging, you can do that as well. Now once you've enabled protected mode, only your approved followers will be able to see your tweets, and your tweets will not be visible in public search results. You can manually approve or reject follower requests from your Twitter settings. It's important to note that even in protected mode, your tweets can still be seen by your approved followers, so just be mindful of what you post on Twitter. Also keep in mind that protected mode may not apply to tweets that have already been shared or retweeted by others before you enabled the feature. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.